I just bought a robot. Has no legs, no arms, costs over 400 euros, cannot move around, can pick anything up, and I think is the best purchase of my year, and here's why. First things first, I miss having a co-worker working right beside me. Lola, my dog, she doesn't count. She's only here for the biscuits, for the treat. Over the last months, me and my colleague Agus, we have been building this AI OS that knows everything about me, my business, even Lola vaccination and other stuff. It's connected to my CRM, to my email, my Instagram, and other social media. It can send an invoice, it can analyze a proposal, it can do research on a client and many more stuff. But at the same time, it feels a little bit impersonal, you know, because I was always talking to it via WhatsApp. So I thought maybe I should give it a body that can hear me, it can talk back to me, it can even mimic emotions and react while I'm talking. So maybe if I say, hey, what do you think about this new blog article that I just wrote? Maybe it will say, or maybe it will say, I don't like that much, or it will respond positively, hopefully. So that's why I bought Reachy Mini from Hugging Face and Pollen Robotics. I had some other options on the market, and but a few things pointed me to the direction of the Reachy Mini. One, it costs over 400 euros and others cost 2,000, 5,000, even $10,000, and I'm not in the mood to spend that much money. Second point is open source. So I can tinker with it, I can install Hermes and other even local LLMs like Gemma from Google and many more stuff. So it will also allow me to explore and play around with it. And thirdly, I don't need a robot that follows me around. I have Lola for that. I just want some robot that will stay on my table and will be able to interact with me, will be able, so while I'm working on other stuff, I can say, hey, analyze this proposal that I just got on my email and so on. I have some things in mind for it. Besides being my co-worker, I'm gonna bring it to my presentations and trainings so it can interact with the audience, and I think will be a great addition. So maybe while I'm talking, it can answer a question from someone from the audience, it can react, and it can tell if people are liking it or not, and can help me keep it a little bit more dynamic. So instead of me just pointing to slides and talking, it will have like an actual AI agent that will exemplify what I'm actually talking about. Same things for video and content. Imagine instead of me just here talking and like this talking head style, I can have a Reachy Mini here that will also be a complement for the video. Practicing languages, I'm learning Latvian right now. It's very hard, I can tell you that. So having a companion that will correct me when I pronounce something in the wrong way, or will teach me, hey, how do I ask for a coffee, or how do I ask directions? It can actually be very helpful for that. And I have my suspicions that typing to an agent and actually talking and interacting with it will be a super different experience. And that makes me also wonder if in the future, everyone will have like their own AI robot agent that will have their own contacts and files and connections like my AI OS, and it will be a much more interesting work experience. The estimated delivery time is around 1 month and 3 months, hopefully sooner, so I can bring it to you guys, and I will be documenting everything from the unboxing to installing everything and interacting with it, learning and installing more and more stuff to do with it. And if you're interested in my AI OS, I will be giving a free masterclass at August 27 at 16 Central European Time. And I will be very glad that you join me. You can also find the link on the description. Please sign up, join, and I will be giving some small gifts as well in the free masterclass. So that's it. Subscribe so you can follow my journey on playing with this new addition to Living Off AI, my company. Give a like, comment below if you feel like this is the direction that the world will be moving or not, if I'm just being crazy, and I'll see you next.